Nerve damage can be incredibly painful and debilitating, affecting your ability to feel sensations or control movements. While medication may help manage symptoms, the real solution lies in healing the damaged nerves themselves. Surprisingly, many common foods contain powerful nutrients that can actually repair and regenerate damaged nerve cells. Today on Anatomy Junction, we'll explore 10 of the best foods to miraculously heal your nerve damage naturally. Let's get started. Number 1. Eggs. When it comes to miraculous nerve-healing foods, eggs really take the cake, or I should say the carton. These unassuming kitchen staples are true nutritional powerhouses, packed with nutrients that nurture nerve health. Let's start with B vitamins. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamins B1, B6, B12, and folate. These B vitamins are absolutely essential for proper nerve function and regeneration. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, allows for efficient nerve signaling and muscle function. In fact, a deficiency can lead to conditions like beriberi neuropathy. And get this, the humble egg yolk contains a quarter of your daily thiamine needs. Then we have vitamin B6, a key player in the production of myelin, that protective shat surrounding nervy fibers. Without it, our nerves can't transmit signals properly. Just 2 large eggs provide over 20% of your daily B6 requirement. Vitamin B12 is another heavyweight when it comes to maintaining healthy myelin and nerve metabolism. Lacking B12 puts you at risk of nerve damage and neuropathy. And eggs are an outstanding source, with nearly 20% of your daily value in just one. But we can't forget about folate. This B vitamin prevents excessive inflammation that can damage nerves while aiding in DNA repair for new cell growth. The egg yolks are packed with folate for better nerve regeneration. And that's just the B vitamin benefits. Eggs also provide high-quality protein full of amino acids, the building blocks needed to produce new nerve cells and repair damage. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. You see, free radicals are unstable molecules that can attack and injure cells, including the delicate neurons that make up our nerves. But vitamin E acts as a free radical scavenger, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can wreak havoc on nerve structure and function. Just one avocado contains over 20% of your recommended daily vitamin E intake. But that's not all avocados have to offer for nerve health. They're also loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that promote the growth and regeneration of myelin, that protective sheath surrounding nerve fibers. Myelin is critical for rapid transmission of nerve signals, but in cases of nerve damage, whether from injury, disease, or nutritional deficiency, this sheath can deteriorate. The fats found in avocados help rebuild and strengthen this insulation around nerves. Number 3. Berries. Let's take a look at one of nature's true superfoods when it comes to nerve healing: berries. Whether we're talking blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, or any other berry variety, these tiny gems pack a serious nutritional punch. The star attraction in berries is their incredibly high antioxidant content. Berries are absolutely loaded with powerful antioxidant compounds like anthocyanins, resveratrol, and vitamin C. Now you might be wondering, what do antioxidants have to do with healing nerve damage? Well, a lot, actually. You see, excess inflammation and oxidative stress from free radicals can severely injure nerve cells and fibers over time. But the antioxidants in berries go to battle against these rogue free radicals, neutralizing them before they can wreak havoc on your nerves. It's like giving your nerves a suit of antioxidant armor. Take blueberries, for example. Just 1 cup contains a whopping 24% of your daily vitamin C, needs for enhanced antioxidant protection. Vitamin C also aids in collagen production, which helps insulate and secure nerve fibers. Raspberries are another antioxidant powerhouse, loaded with compounds like ellagic acid that combat oxidative stress and inflammatory damage to nerve cells. And we can't forget about strawberries. These bright red berries provide stellar amounts of L-arginidin, an antioxidant shown to help prevent neurodegenerative conditions. Number 4, nuts and seeds. First up, walnuts. These nuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically the type called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory powerhouses that can help reduce nerve irritation and pain. But that's not all. Studies show omega-3s also increase blood flow and nutrient delivery to nerves, giving them the nutritional boost they need to rebuild and recover from damage. Next, we have almonds, a reliable source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects nerve cells from those pesky free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. And let's not forget chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny nutrition superstars are among the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Adding a sprinkling of chia or flax to your meals gives you that nerve-nurturing omega-3 boost. But the benefits don't stop there. Nuts and seeds also provide an array of B-complex vitamins like folate and B6, which are essential for nerve cell metabolism and myelin production around nerve fibers. Number 5. Leafy greens. When it comes to nerve-healing superfoods, you can't go wrong with dark, leafy greens like spinach kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These nutritional powerhouses are absolute musts for promoting nerve health and regeneration. Let's start with their impressive array of B vitamins. Leafy greens are excellent sources of B1, B6, and B12. As we discussed earlier, these B vitamins play crucial roles in nerve function, nerve signaling, myelin production, and preventing nerve damage. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach contains over 30% of your daily vitamin B6 needs to build that protective myelin sheath around nerves. And kale provides an impressive 20% of your B1 requirements for efficient nerve signaling. But leafy greens also happen to be stellar sources of the mineral magnesium, a nutrient involved in nerve transmission and muscle contraction. You see, magnesium allows nerve cells to communicate and trigger movements properly. 1 cup of Swiss chard contains nearly 40% of your daily magnesium quota. This makes leafy greens heavyweights for treating nerve-related conditions like restless leg syndrome. And we can't forget their antioxidant content. Dark leafies are brimming with compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin that act as warrior antioxidants, fighting against free radicals and oxidative stress that can damage nerve cells over time. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Let's switch gears to one of the most vibrant and nutritious root vegetables, sweet potatoes. These colorful spuds are absolutely loaded with nerve-healing properties. Their claim to fame is being one of the best dietary sources of the antioxidant vitamin A. And vitamin A is a crucial player when it comes to nerve regeneration and preventing nerve damage. You see, vitamin A promotes the growth and specialization of neural cells to keep nerves functioning properly. It also enhances the regeneration of nerve fibers in cases of injury or damage. In fact, studies show vitamin A can aid in healing nerve damage caused by conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Just 1 sweet potato contains over 300% of your daily vitamin A needs, but that's not all sweet potatoes bring to the table. They're also packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene that provide further protection against oxidative stress and inflammation to nerve cells. So whether you bake them, mash them, or make healthy sweet potato fries, making these orange roots a regular part of your diet can truly work nerve-healing miracles. Number 7. Salmon. If you're looking for a true superfood for nerve regeneration, look no further than that prime cut of salmon. This tender, protein-rich fish is one of the best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, 2 top nutrients for healthy nerves. Let's start with those coveted omega-3s, like DHA and EPA. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory powerhouses that enhance nerve blood flow and protect nerve cells from damage and deterioration. Studies show omega-3s can significantly reduce neuropathic pain and may even aid in the regrowth of nerve fibers. Salmon provides a concentrated dose of these nerve-nurturing compounds. And then we have vitamin D, a nutrient that a staggering 40% of Americans are deficient in. But vitamin D is absolutely crucial for nerve function and protection against neuropathy. It guards nerves by reducing oxidative stress and regulating calcium levels to prevent nerve calcification. Just 3 ounces of salmon provides over 75% of your daily vitamin D needs. Number 8. Bell peppers. When it comes to vibrant and nutritious produce for nerve health, bell peppers really take the cake, or should I say the veggie tray, especially those bright red varieties. You see, bell peppers are absolutely packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a key role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Just 1 red bell pepper contains a whopping 170% of your daily vitamin C needs. But vitamin C doesn't just act as an antioxidant bodyguard for your nerves. It also aids in collagen production, which provides structure and insulation for nervy fibers to function properly. And bell pepper's benefits don't stop there. They're also loaded with carotenoid antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin that combat inflammation, a major culprit behind nerve damage. So whether you're dipping them in hummus, tossing them into a stir-fry, or charring them on the grill, be sure to make these crispy veggies a staple for miraculous nerve healing. Number 9. Bone broth. Switching gears to a savory and kneeling option, bone broth. This nutrient-dense liquid has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote nerve health and regeneration. So what makes bone broth so neuroprotective? It all comes down to the collagen. As the bones slowly simmer, collagen and other proteins are released into the mineral-rich broth. This collagen provides a heavy dose of the amino acids proline and glycine, key building blocks that aid in the insulation and protection of nerve fibers. Think of it as wrapping your nerves in a cozy, rejuvenating blanket. But bone broth also contains an array of minerals like magnesium and potassium that play crucial roles in nerve signaling and muscle contraction. These electrolytes help nerves fire properly to trigger movements. And let's not forget the anti-inflammatory benefits of compounds like gelatin and glycine found in bone broth. By reducing inflammation, you create an environment for optimal nerve healing. Number 10. Turmeric. Last but certainly not least, we have the bright yellow superfood spice turmeric. This ancient root has been revered for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. The star of the show in turmeric is a compound called curcumin. This antioxidant phytochemical is incredibly effective at combating oxidative stress and neuroinflammation that can damage nerves over time. But curcumin doesn't just put out the fire, it can also aid in the regeneration of new nerve cells and fibers. Studies show it enhances neurogenesis and may even help regrow nerve insulation destroyed by conditions like multiple sclerosis. Beyond its antioxidant might, curcumin also boasts analgesic effects that can significantly reduce neuropathic pain associated with nerve damage. That's going to be for this video. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can work miracles in healing damaged nerves and preventing further deterioration. Remember, a nutrient-dense diet full of antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals is key to optimizing nerve health. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe and the bell icon. Why not like the video too? It will greatly help the channel. As always, you've all been fantastic. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.